In this video, I will show you how to redeem KFC gift card. So it's very simple. You have to visit this KFC website here. This is official website. Now you can just browse the menu, select your favorite item and add them to your cart, right? So I will do a normal thing here. I will just go and I will add some burgers. So let's say I will just add to cart and it just, let's say I will select this option that is for the delivery. Okay, that's fine. Let's go for dine because that's the easiest process for now. So once you have added this product to the cart, now we have to proceed to the checkout. So this is checkout here and let me just go and click on checkout. As you can see here, this location is added. You can just add your, everything here. Now select payment method. So this is a payment method. So I will just go and select my payment method. To select my payment method, I have to fill up all this contact info. Now for the payment method, you can select this option here and everything is option. For example, whether it's a credit card or net banking, wallets and UPI and everything. Now this is very important. Now click on apply. We have to just go and click on gift card and this is a card number. So here you have, if you want to redeem here, you have to enter the number, then the pin number and the balance. So this is how you can just redeem it. Ensure that your total bill is equal to or less than the gift card amount. Now complete the order, finalize your order and wait for your food to be delivered or picked it up at the store, right? So once you have done this, you can always check your balance and then you can just redefine your card and everything. And once everything is done, just go and click on submit. That's it. I hope you guys found this video very useful. Subscribe.